At work, in class, or in daily English conversation, many Arabic speakers say things like, I'm interesting in this project. I'm boring. The meeting was bored. Now, if you're asking, what's the mistake here? Good question. That means this video is for you. We need to talk. Stay with me and I'll make it very clear. Because this is a small mistake, but it makes a big difference. If you use the wrong adjective, your English can sound weaker, less natural, and even funny in the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the English adjectives ending with ed and the adjectives ending with ing in a very simple way. By the end of this lesson, you'll learn when to say interested and when to say interesting. Why the sentences I'm bored and I'm boring are completely different, and how to use these adjectives more naturally in work, class, and daily English conversation. This matters because many learners know the vocabulary, but they still mix up the grammatical form. And when that happens, the meaning changes. So let's fix that today. Here's the key idea. Usually, the adjectives ending with ed describe your feeling, and the adjectives ending with ing describe the person, thing, or the situation causing that feeling. Let me make that easier. Think of it like this. Ed means me. Ing means the thing, the person, or the situation causing that feeling. For example, I'm interested. That's my feeling. The topic is interesting. Now I'm describing the topic. Another example. I'm bored. This is how I feel. The meeting is boring. Now I'm describing the meeting. That is the thing causing the feeling. So remember, ed means how you feel. Ing means what gives you that feeling. That is the foundation. If you understand this part, the rest becomes much easier. So a quick summary. Use ed for feelings. Use ing for the thing, person, or situation. Now, let's look at the most common pairs in English. Number 1, interested and interesting. I'm interested in English. This is my feeling. English is interesting. Now, I'm describing English. So, I'm interested in English. English is interesting. Not I'm interesting in English. That is a very common mistake. Number 2, bored, boring. I'm bored. This is my feeling. The class is boring. This is the thing causing that feeling. Now, you have to be very careful when you say I'm boring. If you say I'm boring, you're saying you make other people feel bored. That is a very different meaning, and I'm sure you don't mean that. Number 3, excited, exciting. I'm excited about the trip. This is my feeling. The trip is exciting. Now I'm describing the trip. Number 4, confused, confusing. I'm confused. This is my feeling. This grammar is confusing. Now I'm describing the grammar. Number 5, surprised, surprising. I'm surprised. This is my feeling. The news is surprising. Now I'm describing the news. Can you see the pattern here? It stays the same. Let's add a few more. Number 6, amazed, amazing. I'm amazed by your English. That's my feeling. Your English is amazing. This is the description. Number 7, worried, worrying. I'm worried about the exam. Feeling. The exam situation is worrying. Description. Number 8, annoyed, annoying. I'm annoyed. Feeling. That sound is annoying. Description. Now, here's where many learners get confused. They understand the word, but they choose the wrong grammatical form. So the problem is not always vocabulary. Sometimes the problem is the form of the adjective. Quick summary. Same idea every time. I'm worried. The situation is worrying. I'm annoyed. The noise is annoying. Now let's fix some very common mistakes. Mistake number 1. I'm interesting in this project. The correct form is I'm interested in this project. Why? Because you are describing your feeling. Mistake number 2. I'm boring. Maybe you mean I'm bored because bored is your feeling. So you say I'm bored. If you say I'm boring, it means you are a boring person. Mistake number 3. The lesson was very bored. The correct sentence is the lesson was very boring, because you're describing the lesson. Mistake number 4. I'm exciting about the weekend. The correct sentence is I'm excited about the weekend. This is your feeling. Mistake number 5. I'm confusing. Maybe you mean I'm confused because confused describes your feeling. This is why this topic matters. One small change in the ending changes the meaning. Now, very quickly, Let me show you where these adjectives usually go. Often they come after the verb to be. For example, I am interested, she is bored, we are excited, the lesson is boring, the news is surprising. They also come before a noun, such as an interesting book, a boring meeting, an exciting trip, a confusing question, an annoying sound. That's enough for now. No need to make it more complicated than that. So a quick summary again. These adjectives often come after the verb to be or before a noun. Now let's make this practical. At work, you can say things like, I'm interested in this project. The project sounds interesting. I'm excited about the new training. The training looks exciting. I'm confused about the instructions. The instructions are confusing. In class, you might say things like, I'm bored. This lesson is boring. I'm surprised by my score. The result is surprising. I'm worried about the test. The test is worrying for many students. In everyday life, you might use sentences like, I'm annoyed by the noise. The sound is annoying. I'm amazed by Riyadh these days. The changes in Riyadh are amazing. I'm interested in improving my English. English is interesting. These are not just grammar rules in a book. You can use them when talking to your manager, your teacher, your classmates, your friends, or even when talking about your daily life in English. That's why learning this properly gives you immediate value. Now let's test this. I'll give you a sentence and you choose the correct adjective. Okay? Let's go. The correct answer is interested. I'm very interested in this topic because this is your feeling. Number 2. The correct answer is interesting. This topic is very interesting. Number 3. The correct answer is bored. After the meeting, I felt bored. Number 4. The correct answer is boring. The meeting was really boring. Number 5. The correct answer is excited. I'm excited about the trip. Number 6. The correct answer is exciting. The trip looks exciting. Number 7. The correct answer is confused. I'm a little confused by this grammar. Number 8. The correct answer is confusing. This grammar is confusing. If you got most of them right, very good. That means you're already improving. So let's recap the main idea. Use ed adjectives for feelings, such as interested, bored, excited, confused, surprised, amazed, worried, annoyed. Use ing adjectives for the thing, person, or situation causing the feeling, such as interesting, boring, exciting, confusing, surprising, amazing, worrying, annoying. So remember, I'm interested, the topic is interesting. I'm bored, the class is boring. I'm excited, the trip is exciting. Small difference in form, big difference in meaning. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence in the comments with an ed adjective and one sentence with an ing adjective. And if this video helped you, subscribe to this channel because I help Arabic speakers like you speak English more naturally and confidently. I'll see you in the next one.